guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. As you can tell from the title up there, today's video is going to be a well-deserved Primark haul. I haven't done a Primark haul. The last video actually was 4 months ago when I checked, and I was like, how the hell is it 4 months since I uploaded a Primark haul? You guys know how obsessed I am with Primark. I love pretty much everything from Primark: the clothes, the accessories, the fashion, the shoes, pretty much everything, as you can tell. So I've got a very exciting Primark haul coming your way right about now. But I thought I would change it up a little bit and do a try on bit to this haul. So I hope you guys appreciate it and like it. It's something different. I don't think I've ever done like pretty much a try on haul. And please bear with me if it's not all cool or like in shots or everything's in focus, so please bear with me. But nevertheless, I am very excited for you guys to see what I got. I feel like Primark right now have really good bits. Like most of the stuff in sale, but the stuff that aren't in sale are like really good quality, like really in trend, so fashionable. I've got like some fashion dupes for you guys as well, so keep your eyes peeled. Without me rambling on for ages, let's roll on with the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I bought this jumper that I'm actually wearing right now. I like the fit of it, it's very nice, but the only thing I don't like is the arms. I don't like the way it kind of is like really tight in the arms over here. It's kind of a bit weird. It's like really loose from the waist, so I don't know, I just don't like the way it fits. So it's like not really me. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. But nevertheless, it's still a bargain because it was only a $5. It was reduced from £13 to £5, which is really, really inexpensive. So I couldn't say no. It's just really nice, so I had to go with it. So yeah, that's the first item. Moving on to the second item. So the second item, I'm not too sure if it's gonna fit me. I think it's gonna be really, really big. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, it's huge. I usually wear size 10, but they didn't have size 10 in stock. I only had size 12. These are basically high-rise mum jeans that looks like this. I love the color of it. It's like a really nice the blue kind of washed jeans, and it's really, really nice. It's gonna look so nice with like Converse and stuff. I love the distressed detail at the bottom. It's kind of cropped, kind of, well, not really cropped, but just a little bit. But nevertheless, it was only like £13, so you can't go wrong with like mum jeans. But yeah, I hope it looks good, and yeah, you guys will see if it looks good. Like, I haven't filmed the like cutaways yet, so hopefully it looks good, but I really like it. And these jeans kind of remind me of the Topshop petite kind of crop trousers that they have at the moment, and that's £40 and this is only 13. So if you want a cheap dupe, definitely check this out, or give it a try at least, because you never know. Okay, so the next item is a very summery item. I saw this on the model and I was like, I really like it. It looks so cool and like funky, very elegant, very, I don't know, it just reminds me of like a beach, like me wearing this on a beach side, licking some ice cream. I don't know, just I pictured this in my head with like a nice denim jacket, like an oversized denim jacket and like Converse. Perfect. So I saw this and I was like, I really like them. They look so nice. I'm just really hoping for like summer and spring. I know we're so far from like summer, that's for sure, but like spring, like I need some sort of like heat. So yeah, I saw these and I was like, I have to get them. I got them in size 10 and they're very, very nice. They're very flowy, let's say. Flowy is the word. Actually only £8. I couldn't believe it. When I saw it, I was like, this is a bargain. Like £8. I mean, come on, like it's really, really inexpensive. So I really like it, and hopefully I get a lot of use out of it too. So okay, so next item might not be everyone's favorite. Actually, this wasn't my favorite either. When I saw it, I was like, can I pull this off? Can I really pull this off? But it's like nothing I have in my wardrobe, and I was like, you know what, it might look really cute for Instagram pictures. That's all that came to my mind, is Instagram pictures. As long as it look cute for Instagram pictures, that's all that matters. So yeah, I got these really funky like trainers. It's white and it's got like this faux fur kind of pink fluffy stuff on it. Oh my god, it's like shredding everywhere. But yeah, I thought it was actually like kind of cute, I want to say. I don't know. I got it in size 5, so hope it fits. I'm usually like size 4.5, so hopefully it's okay. And this was reduced from £14 to £7, which was very inexpensive. It's kind of the dupe of the Zara ones they have at the moment. Zara's got the exact same. I think they got like a really colourful one. So yeah, it's like a really cheap dupe for the Zara ones, and I think the Zara ones are like £30 or £29.99 or something like that. So perfect dupe for that. and I just think it's really nice. Like probably with my mom jeans, this would look so cute, and this jumper actually, so perfect match. Okay, so if you guys like cheap fashionable dupes, then girl, I got your back, because check this out. Doesn't this look exactly like the Gucci belt? The Gucci belts are like extremely expensive, but girl, I got your back. This is kind of like a dupe kind of look-alike. It's obviously not the Gucci ones, obviously, but it's kind of, it looks very, very similar. Like from far you wouldn't tell. So I saw these in Primark and they were only £4, like really inexpensive. My only concern is I picked up a medium instead of a small. This waist looks like it's going to be really big for me, but nevertheless, I mean, I could probably like pop some more holes in or something and make it a bit smaller. But the leather doesn't feel the best, I will say. Like, it feels very cheap. Obviously it's not real leather, it feels like very cheap, but nevertheless, if you want some like Gucci lookalikes for really cheap, then girl, this is only £4. You can't go wrong with it. So when I saw it, I was like, girl, I need to pick this up for sure. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. So like I said, there was like so much sale going on. I saw this and I couldn't believe that it was like £1. How gorgeous is this choker? Like, it's so nice. I mean, it would look really nice with this outfit right now, actually. Yeah, it's just £1. Like, I couldn't believe it was just £1. It's lovely. This may be a bit long, so I need to like probably like chop this up maybe, but it's just lovely. I think it would look so nice with like obviously a turban hijab style or whatever I'm wearing that day. It's black. I mean, come on, it'll go with every outfit. So when I saw this, I was like, I need it. It was originally £2, reduced to £1, so love it. So my next item is something a bit different. I don't think I've ever tried. It's fake lashes, fake nails. I've heard so many people talk about the Primark fake nails, and I would never think about going and getting fake lashes from why do I keep saying fake lashes? Fake nails from Primark, because I just initially thought it probably would be like shit quality. That sounds so biased, but I just thought it wouldn't be that good of a quality. But I've heard so many people talk about how good the fake nails are from there. So I picked up these, and these were only £2. They're kind of like a nude with, it's like gold dust kind of all over it. It's quite nice and funky, so I thought I would pick it up and I'll give it a try and see what I think. I'll let you guys know. I picked up the really pointy ones because I like that. It suits my nails. Obviously right now my nails are kind of square. Yeah, I picked up these and they're really, really nice. I'm actually going with a lot of color. Where the hell is my black outfit? Like, you guys know how obsessed I am with black, and I didn't pick up anything black. Wow. I also picked up some like white socks. These are 7 for I think £1.80, so they're really, really inexpensive. So I picked up these, and I also picked up some like white shoelaces. Oh my god, the dust right now. And I also picked up some like white shoelaces for my trainers, because the shoelaces are kind of like disgusting right now, so I needed some new shoelaces, and they were only £1 too, so I picked that up as well. And that is everything I got from Primark. I'm really, really excited about everything. I just hope they look good. Well, you guys will be the judge of that. You guys will probably see how good they look, because I need to film the cutaways now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Primark haul. If you guys did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and let me know down below which item in this haul was your favorite item. For me, I would say the trainers, only because it's so funky and different and it's cute. So I would say the trainers. What would you guys say? Let me know down below. But yeah, to end this video, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Make sure you subscribe. Also make sure you guys press the notification button, because apparently my videos aren't going in people's subscription boxes, which is very frustrating and kind of makes my blood boil. So make sure you guys press the notification button so you guys can be tuned when I upload videos. That would be very nice, and I'd really, really appreciate it. Yeah, and I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.